Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be going over the workout builder. First off, navigating to the workouts, you want to go through your library here and then click on workouts. And then we're going to go in the top right corner and click add new workout. From here, we're going to start with a new workout. And a great way to start building out workouts is through sections. So with the sections, you can have a regular section, an interval, an AMRAP, a timed, and a freestyle. So here I'm going to go through each one of those and show you what they look like. Starting off with the regular section, here is where you can add certain exercises for your clients to complete. You can enter the weight and the reps for them. You can superset exercises here in the middle, and you can also add alternate exercises with these three dots as well. With the interval section, as you add exercises in, the tracking fields are going to be a little bit different. So you're going to have weight, and then you have working time and rest time. So you can adjust these as opposed to reps and rest time. For the AMRAP section, you're going to go ahead and set the time for the total workout. And once you add exercises in, they're automatically going to superset. So your clients are going to do exercises one at a time and see how many rounds they can get through in this set time you create for that workout. The timed section kind of works in the other way. So you're going to set the number of rounds, and again, the exercises will be supersetted. So your clients will go through one by one and complete them and see how long it takes them to complete 10 rounds of all of these exercises. And finally, the freestyle section. This is great for video or text-based workouts where you can kind of create the structure, whether you're adding your own video with instructions or just typing out the full workout itself. These are great for CrossFit style workouts as well. So that's a breakdown of every workout section we have. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you all for watching.